Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. My country people, now another matter we can't do again. No, my people, make una come hear matter for inside matter. Ya smart, my people. Not be small matter now with this since yesterday, my people. It don't set between baby papa and baby mama, where everybody know as Mrs. Yobosa and Mr. Sonny Obi. Make una come hear many talk where Mr. Obi, where be the baby papa, the second baby papa, talk come outside, my people. The man say he need DNA. May Mrs. Yobosa go bring DNA come for am if he know say no be him get pikin. According to the interview where Mrs. Yobosa go grant for one interview place, she say no be this woman, no be this man he born the pikin for. He say na Mr. Iyobosa gbege na he born e for pikin for. He say the Igbo man dey lie. So now the Igbo man come say make she go bring DNA. Say he get everything, the way he take discharge the pikin for hospital, the way he take claim the pikin for hospital. My people, story don work. Mrs. Iyobosa don put herself for another wahala, my people. All in the name of showcasing, all in the name of the only wife and the only husband side chick. My people, no be small matter. Showcasing husband buy me this, husband buy me that, don't enter another gbege. Make una come here. Husband say he need DNA for that he pikin, make him for rest, say no be him get pikin, and she need to pay him all the money wey they take care of that pikin till date. He say they send am money because government dey collect am for him salary. My people, wahala dey o. They say wahala e no dey finish. Make una come hear wetin happen for inside Germany, my people. Okay, oh my country people, before I will release the video give you now, if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome, and to my returnees, may God Almighty bless you all for me in Jesus' name. Not be small matter for inside Matthias Smart. I begin to drag the matter for Matthias Smart. Matthias no be no one release the matter. My people, sister, husband buy me this, husband buy me that, don't enter another chance. Make una come here update when the husband called for a no-gay platform yesterday. Come they talk many things. He say the date where they even born the pikin, the man talk am. If not be him get pikin, he say he need CNA. Hey, another DNA don't come outside again, my people. I beg, if you know say your yam the white, I beg me una cover am so that Miss Sansan no enter. You understand? And I believe saying that Mrs. Yobosa carry herself come outside. Make una come here for inside this video, inside this audio, how Mrs. Yobosa take carry herself come outside for inside this audio. My people, not be small matter. All the same, make una come here her husband go still say buy DNA, I been a CNA for this matter. Okay, guys, may we enter the main business and the main reason why we come for today's video. Okay, please help me to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment, a positive comment for me in the comment section. Love you all and stay blessed and remain blessed. Till I come your way again, I remain your humble sister, AB World Entertainment. See you guys soon in my next video. Happy view, guys.
The ventilation is okay. Breaking news. Me and Benjamin, we settle our differences this morning. Yes. We have settled. This morning, I called Benjamin. When I ask a question, I know they settle, just to get more information. My calling him before was not to settle with him, but to get more information. And if he don't fall, but he was so smart. Benjamin was so smart enough So like I will call you back. So the number when we take call am, you come carry am go my page, go take find me know that I know get because the voice so much look alike. So last you come call me back. He say no get now. Now you call me. Now you. I be double lose guard, but I thank God say e no be so e come be. So from there, now we have to settle. It was like a dream to us. Me and Benjamin we talk for like so Benjamin, me and you no get any issue again. So I believe that's how men supposed to. Now waiting you for first do from the beginning, but e still dey okay. So wetin I go tell you, make you do, you bring anything come for me. That your page. Oh yeah, but all the so be not dey look you before o. All the so be not dey look you so. You owe me one anything for the monetization, and you are a very simple man, just like me. You are a very, very simple man. So please, my fans and families, I have no issue with Benjamin again. But you see, Yobosa, I have a very big problem with that woman. That woman don't make me drink 10 Heineken. This one ain't be the 10. He lied too much. If Yobosa lied, he help us John Daniel. Am I communicating? Breaking news. And whom her daughter was raped by her stepfather is in Italy. Glory be to God. The woman whom her daughter was raped is in Italy. Because I threatened her yesterday. I said, Larry, madam, when we marry in Italy, how can you tell me that your daughter has been raped for like 4 days? You dey look for money. You say, no, okay. She can't try everything to take day in Italy today. So she's in Italy now. Glory be to God for that one too. So madam, go and domicile your husband. Not to say because you born for death. And they come back to a no of part to win. Because recording they will still play for YouTube. Yobosa. Yobosa. Bọ́ọ̀gì sí òkè ìwé gbé. Yobo. Gbẹ́gẹ́. Bọ́ọ̀gì sí òkè. Mẹ́mẹ́ mi. Bọ́ọ̀gì sí òkè. When I look viewer, like say na money. Your husband, if you just see 1,000, he go say, wow, 1,000 of you. If your mom, 1,100 people are watching. It be like someone never. Masugabeg, Eddie, thank you so much, sir. If not for you, some people cannot even stand crowd. One, your husband do nothing like this. He go remember that so many down. 1,001 is watching. Share gas, let's get to 2,000. 1,002. Share gas. Please. Let's get to Oni, Shaki. They are me worry. They are me worry. If you want to let things out, they are me worry. Wọ́n gbọ́ yàrá náà gbẹ Ṣákì. Ya pasa todo, bebé. 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 Y fue. I'm not agree. This is my cool there. Go out. Obi we gi je ohun no ya de kori. Obi no know the one way wa be. Go be egu e the one way wa be. Who you e mo bi ya? Na va vo ewe. Ah va vo ewe. Iwe ore no. Is this not your pussy? I went yes, that. I mean, you know why? Mano Begwe since it's human. Away. You understand what? You see this God? Oh, Matthew way shocking. You see this shocking? 799. In battle we. Yeah, yes, I know. One of any ever be opposite. He remember you want. Do well where you don't wait for me. Remember you worry. 799. Other fire was for. I mean, what there? I mean, people are watching. What's that? Hey! Share. You see this one? Up and I wear is fake. Oh, okay, you think he's towel now, Abi. You think he's towel. Normally, this price is 49 euro 50 cents. But my husband I buy it for. On a really juicy ball. Everyone will wear. If not before, then you will wear 799. Who will 500? Who will go wow? The dear sham where did you say that to say? And not get all the chat. Only not like 49, but on our way 39. No, man, now we're killing 10%. One a month. A beggar like wow. How about your bow? No, your bow. Palaga. Papa Waga. We're back. Hey, what can you so know? If you are wicked, what are you? Oh, what one at the fool? Yes, I beg you, get on. On the back, sorry. Oh, wait, if this meat is for what? Anyway, where is the new back? Oh, with the hell is you? No, I mean, that way. She's working and she can cook stew. Because they don't give me a stew. Wow. Man, 500,000. Now I have a different way. Madam Berry Yokosa. 2020 Hello Minister. Why are you fairly? Why? No, why are you here? Why are you here? Yeah, I'm going to go to the fridge. Follow. He was as well. Oh, here was a guy. What of you beg him? Hey, even you are maybe now. What time? Hey, whoa. Oh, that's fine with you. What time? Okay, share the video. Share. Hey, you must have. Where maybe? A glass of wine. A glass of wine. Oh, what? Oh, okay, no time. Okay, no. Oh, why? Yeah. A glass of. Glass of. Where? I think you're where. I think you're not. All the young are Maggie. I glass in Maggie move. I think it back. All the book. He was it. All the book. Hey. Ikine. I glass me now we carry Mudiane. He make a where any affair no give one of your move. Yes, a remote to get here. And remote to make the winner say, he was a one yogi. Oh, I am remote to make ya. Many may go one remote in a winner. How are the battery? A tablet in the Maggie. Il y a pas ça qui va faire. Ouais, one tablet in a day. Et là, il y a tablet. Don't only like, no, the man, but he did browse. Il a fait that way. Eh, oh, bien longtemps, on va monter derrière. Effectivement, on va écrire dans le monde. Ça va, c'est vrai. Eh, qu'est-ce que m'en a et ça va. On fait. Et il t'a beaucoup à voir. Nous avons que. Il faut ça. Quand tu consciences yourself, quand tu consciences yourself, where this lie I'm about to lie, how will it be in the eyes of our Norway? You not using it. You were to create a content. Okay, fair. A content you create. Oh, you know. Et moi, il y a fait un vélo. Eh, boy, et qui a pas un peu plus chaud là, Diana. Oh, Olivia Samata. For you to pray where I am praying for me to have the husband, Iyobosa is having. Uma pray where you want a no game like a no game husband type material. Where a beggar, no I see there. I want to get a boo boo. And we're in there to become. If you are good, every man will go wow. If you are good, every man will go wow. If you are good, every man. And I am well. Il est Facebook là. Il est okay. Et so wow. Woman de bois. For you to be praying. So you don't see people like Davido, Whiskey, Investor Enoge. From Vito. Hugo. Massif. I remember step 1, step 2 au petit Dada Massif et on est. De noyer retarded. I very right. No we on job with Italy. No the water level. Oh, what is a job? No where they don't even. Where Maggie me over. Get away. Go on one here. Where? Ben no da video. Then ya. La reg bagge. Amaju we kori. Wala ya de kanre mabela gbo. So Yobosa, you will not be money where I got that for my own. I got that for my own. You will not talk again. And then you have deposit to go your bank. Or you deposit in there 20 euro minister. Or where the only mistake I've made is to bump for different men. Hey, Yobosa, a godmother there, godmother woman, me and you don't have problem. Et comment d'arriver on après interviewment. On interview un autre. Tu dois foirer dans la cerveau. Ah ouais, yeah. Ah vous belle la bière. Ou belle oui yes. Ou belle et moi il a fait dans l'eau. Mon bien les baguettes. Et là it's true. Baguette. Et non, on y croirait. Il a été fier de gagner. On m'a dit move. Pourtant, il move. Et bien, il a compris. 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 Et maintenant, on va bien. Et maintenant, on va bien. Et bien, il a compris. Oh, Vigo. D'où m'a tiré la il colle bien. Et moi, c'est nous, j'ai eu Vigo. If you not come today, don't come here again. If they pepper me for a year. If you love your boy, your boss, go to Azage, make Azage. What is that? This woman saying, Bagge is not the father of men. How come? Larry, where were we? Your boss, where were we? Bagge, when I'm your quick where. Go be away money ya. Call us. Wawa hello.
Hello.
Hey, madam, come, madam. Iyon.
Yeah, she contribute here.
Bug is here, madam. No, mama.
Okay.
Okay.
A Mrs. Yobosa, because there's another one begging Germany, me, you might understand it. Number one, it's okay. Mrs. Yobosa, I'm talking a husband, you richest woman in Germany. Are you crazy?
Okay.
Life video no share akotana if there's no gene no kuna way Mrs. Yobosa is the richest woman in Germany. Mrs. Yobosa, you get one room, 2 room and a parlor. Zwei Zimmer und Wohnzimmer. Now you live with
Zwei Zimmer und Wohnzimmer. Okay.
Now you say you be the richest woman for Germany.
Oh, what that?
Where we might go top.
I feel my
When we hear we might go top. Where I get begging you, she know a richest woman. My safety here, they need people. They not buy house, they build house.
Okay.
You the young men, okay?
Okay.
They build house.
Tabi do. Jabi la se si lo.
They use cars. That's how for you. And again, that life is the way you share it. So look at that woman say, make Mrs. Yobosa approve her. Say she know they collect just her money.
Okay.
Mrs. Yobosa, since you say that your work, say you they prove everything, you they do lifestyle and many more. With the viewers, we want you to prove it. Bring your bank statement that you know they collect just her money.
Okay.
And you forget, you say you're king and now you say come this country. And all your stay for Germany, you don't get driver's license.
Okay.
You don't get driver's license. Now kingdom parking, you see they push, they go spark cars.
This man, the German kingdom again. Me roi. Me mele di moto.
You have to, if I say, okay, you have to want to comment for that woman. Union people will just come whenever then they oppress. You cannot come and oppress.
Union people are oppressed. Oh, wow.
Driver's license, you don't get. At your age, when you brag. Look, now one thing that woman and she gets. One thing that woman. The richest woman in Germany, not all her to Onuni. You say you be the richest woman in Germany. Now one thing that woman, now your children, they sleep. You want to call social media, they brag. Your husband don't go school yet. You say that your husband, they buy you all your boots straight. Your husband don't go school yet. How much your husband they receive? Next work where they do, your husband will receive 1,000 to 1,003.
Oh, that's why I'm at the battle. That's why I'm battle.
Now you say they buy boots straight. One tell now, as viewers, una know what she say they get money. One tell now. Una know say those are 2 children.
Yes.
Are 2 different fathers.
Okay.
And I always should take care of those 2 children. So automatically, the father of those children, they pay a big unsahai. So they call unsahai, that's father money. You understand? They know it. So they pay her. Because not only she, they take care of that picking. So the father of those children, they pay her big money. They should go collecting that day joiner. So if those are 2 children now, those are 2 children. If she collecting that gate and papa money joiner, those 2 children, they go 1,000 plus or 1,000 euro. All those 2 children were born for 2 different men. So
oh, yeah, okay.
next she say they get money, and those 20 euro where she they sample, and only where she they gather for children. Well, not many years ago when this girl said do birthday, she bring that 20 euro come.
I don't think Botano there.
Okay. And again, she said she do marriage. That girl don't do marriage for
Hey,
Jamie.
back on Lumo give me marriage. Never back on Lumo give
He
me.
don't do marriage. She forget that wedding gown. Mrs. Yobosa, bring your marriage certificate.
Okay.
You went for Germany.
For Germany.
Bring your marriage certificate. Come out. We will tell you this. And I want to talk to that woman when they interview her. I beg. That lady when they interview her. Good evening, my lady. Kudos to you. Do your work well. Interview her well. See when she go bring, when she prove her to us, she know they collect job center money. She know they collect government money for this country. She said she don't say work. That means she they collect what they call Arbeit loose gates.
Oh.
If you don't say work, when she prove her to us, and that money she really they collect, say she don't really say work for this country. I can't go punish you, that woman. Say that you be the richest black woman in Germany. How dare you?
You told me. Oh, I haven't done one. Oh, you want to know me? They may want that one.
Hey, it's someone from the panel who say, I'm the richest woman in Germany.
richest woman. I want to have a birthday.
Parents and the parlor. Your picking
Oh,
up
why
all
that
of
Rama with
them, they sleep in one room. According to German law, it's a taboo. It's a taboo in German law. One girl, they sleep in one room.
That is verboten. That is verboten in Deutschland. Verboten.
That is verboten. They know that is verboten. You go and open one so that you be the richest woman for Germany. That one and that one, if you not look that interview, where that woman interview her, she got to say, if two children don't go the same kindergarten. And again, viewers, when I go look that video when she said do birthday, when she dey laugh people say, children where they go therapy, make I see clear this thing. Children when they go therapy for Germany, you know me say they get disability. You see this tongue, so you don't say German they hard. So children they know they feel raise tongue where they know they feel do talk the word where for German. They'll go what in German they call logopedy.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then the woman say the last darkest is that day when she said they make jest of her. When I look at her daughter, whether her daughter 4 years birthday, that child no fit talk. That child even need waiting more than logopedy for Germany.
Hey! Oh yeah, Megwa.
When I go look that video, where 4 years, my own 4 years daughter, this is talking. You
Hey, Beggar, why you don't have it
go
on you? Beggar, yeah.
When I go look that,
Oh, the booby. I'm a mama in war.
When I go look that
I'm a
video,
mama yet
that
in
child
war.
no fit talk.
Oh, mama. Oh, the year I know mama. Oh, my son, like, now I'm probably 6 years. In butter, 2026. Ah, who will mama go go?
Follow that woman. Now, big deceiver. She dey deceive una. And I want use this video to talk to those of una when talks come. That woman don't get shit for nyash. Nothing there and nyash.
Hello.
She's not the richest. She's not the richest woman in Germany. Una not the way she said they get her money. Now that thing when I just tell her. So those unsahas when she dey collect for that different father. Then she said the bad bone straight. Then she said the bad bone straight. Her parents say house. When I tell her when she post her mother picture. And one picture where she do for Nigeria where they say go pay her bride price. When I tell her when she go. Mrs. Yogosa, the richest woman in Germany. How many times do they go holidays, vacation in a year?
Baby, I hear who about that travel?
January, you go there in the January to December. You go say you be the richest woman in Germany. You never come up for Germany once. You never carry those your fellow children travel once. You say you are the richest woman in Germany. Shame on you. Shame on you. And you are very stupid to say that. That means you are automatically insulting our responsible men and women. You are very stupid to say that you are the richest woman in Germany.
What's that?
You. You carry 2 children. You carry all your 4 children. People walking that steamer. You they say you be the richest. You don't get driver's license. Call driver's license. You they use 10,000. Say they brag. 10,000 euro. I beg, man, leave you first.
Where's he? Yobosa.
All right.
The marriage no how post e. Iya wa we jowa oro ya na with tradition. You know where we ma. Uwaro. Ya wa me awaro. Le unwe lo ka gbe we ame waro yi. Ame agaro wo ka gbo Yobosa wa me wa mama. Ame yize gba ka gbe wa ya na ilai. Inaru. Ewo na ga wa ya ka gbe na. Jawa ari we kanopi. Uwaro ana neru duwa. Osi enye na gbe ya oro. Tonya wa sino le duwa ya. Eri na ri uwaro. Biego. Wa le ga. Eri na ri uwaro. Ha? Ana le neru ne ana bere bo take away ni aga 10. E wa ni yo no te wi am take away ari wa. 50 naira. E ari ga yeje keje o ko ba ka ma o be. Wala o. Awogo. Wala o. It's a masse. When me 50 euro now. Huh? 50 naira. E gbege owo ke no ipa to ta o se na iwe a ona ri ma yo. But you want to go like we go. Hello, my love.
Hello, gay, all the way. Good evening, viewers. I greet that. You know, this girl Yobo Saye, she too the proud. You understand? She too the proud. You know, good. She has to reduce her proudness. You know, you're good at all.
10%.
You see, I was watching her video this evening. You see the type where she get that great type, that Adidas type. You guys, before you guys will start insulting callers, please go and watch that video again.
Okay.
See the way that girl is described her. I buy my clothes from Adidas. I buy this one original one. Do you know that type she's wearing is 27 euro?
Hey!
Yes, 27 euro. Now, I don't post that. Post it on my page. My dear brother, I know 27 euro is money. Yes, not be this thing that money. But the way she's saying it, she will give appreciation to those who not fear afford or where they think say she be big woman. Me personally, I don't go lie you. Me almost have it not be anything they do me for body. You know why? Because I know living fake. You see here in Germany, a lot of people here in Germany, especially as a mother. I'm not even talking about who go men. They don't get one more back. I said, somebody is hospital, I don't be following you tight. One more back. So when I went 27 euro is just wrong. But 27 euro, my dear.
Richest woman, don't
know. Nobody is broker. Nobody is broker. You understand? Especially if you don't bear children. Everybody. You see, also, let me explain also to you.
Okay.
Auto shop, you can buy from auto anywhere you are. You can select clothes, 100, 300, 500. You understand? You will even pay 15, 20 euro every month. Or even 10 euro, depends how much you select for your basket. All these Adidas, Nike, all of them, they get all kind of this thing there. That is where she buy her clothes.
Yeah.
So sometimes when I see that cookie, they proud, they say they invest me. Because I also she could buy something. You understand? That's just that. But it's not bad though. Not like say they condemn her. But she should reduce it. It's so nice. If you love your phone, love your followers like this, you love them, be real with them. Tell them, say, oh, this thing now 27 you dey for auto now. If you want to buy, go to auto and buy. Select it in your basket, you dey pay 10 euro, 20 euro every month. Buy Nike, buy Adidas, buy this one, buy Puma. All of them get there. But be Germany with the sister with the do the same thing. We never come and call social media call and so we big people. You understand? Before I will label myself as a rich and not the richest. Because I cannot be the richest. We have a lot of black people here who are doctors, who are lawyers, who has a good job. You understand? Before I will label myself as a big girl, I must know that I have an ass onto my name. You have no ass onto your name, girl. You dey say you be big girl, you be the richest. Don't do like that. There are big people that has good job in this Germany. They never open my talk. My dear people, if you guys want to know more about auto, just drop your comments on my page and I will come out and tell you about it. When I see they buy, then I tell she they buy. Okay. I think she do they make me vex. I agree to my bed.
Let's see. So, il y a Facebook. On voit voilà bien. On voit sur la logo du Guadeloupe. On va receiver. I receive. Il nous sied. Nous na valer non ya. Out 27 euro. Hey. Bege, what to me la rebo. Il veut de nous do you. Mais là, il dit, why do less aga, mais quoi, loy? Hello? Where c'est? Eh? On va be.
Investor, look, you know, go out there, you know, one of Cheshire girl.
Where c'est?
Where you go, look, we're for Baba.
Info, you go at Agua.
Mrs. Yoba, or even see you, because my mighty you were there.
Yeah, okay.
No, you're no Carayo.
La one no me.
On my right.
see.
When I'm a monobody, so you will go.
Yes.
First of all, Jimmy, now my years. Now, I tell you, no, me na karayo.
Where see?
Mrs. Yuba is a yale, me can aim aware. Undeva near do, near Brooklyn, I tell you, no making a karayo, Papa. Mrs. Yuba, I did beg you, not Jim the year with thee. I beg your husband. You say your husband they work, you they work. I beg I need to see the German they call loan oppression. Where your husband say they work, you can know how much your husband they receive.
Okay.
Your husband loan oppression. I want to see him. Make I know how much your husband they receive. Then I will come back here, come analyze and see why your husband be like. First of all, you and your husband not they sleep for one place. I know your husband reach out now Nigeria for come out.
Okay.
Your husband come up for live interview, come they lie.
What I mean, we go worry, Papa. I want to know how I go wa.
Oh, you know, if they lie, then I saw you follow general. Now leave the follow enter in the life, get money. Why not follow fly come out, come Europe?
Okay.
Who get money? Not the follow Libya, they come Italy. You know they follow come Italy, come they go stay camp for Italy. You follow Libya enter road, come they stay Italy camp. You see you get money for before you come out. If they lie, they brag say so you get money for Nigeria before you come out. You follow Libya, come enter Italy. Get luck, you not get luck say not there for water, because they lie for because of woman we don't want to another man. We not say you not follow woman at your choice. So but you know say you got the level for this thing. I bet one thing your loan oppression.
Okay.
We not telling as our sister talking just now for like talking just now. The way that woman say they see money now because of the children we don't pay more on that men.
Okay.
Which they collect under eye from the children. Then she get money. She not get on any other way. If she says she goes to school for Germany, she goes so she come here for 60 years. When she post her degree where she get for Germany, she do all this, she post her result. Then I will call you back and personally come and analyze them for you.
Where's he?
Before me, I come online, just me and my sister Ebony, doctor, I mean, Ebony get the talk finish by call. Okay. I tell Ebony I will call you for live video. Me and Ebony they talk the matter, I will call you just now.
Where's he?
When she post a loan oppression, we our husband to the work. And the only thing she still work when she take on Germany, the only she live for live interview with the interview and say I show she dey work before this thing. Make she post them, I will come and analyze them for you how much they receive. Now just when I pay for her ass. She dey live for live video saying so she do this one, I say this one. A beggar no mommy boya gbebo. O you are to in power live video.
Where's he, Baba?
And not be watching with the talk. Make she post her husband loan oppression. The husband dey line so she no want she follow general. We general you follow even the general pay now later don't say get money. You will catch up and do with Italy. Italy go, you get the money now you know rent of Italy stay when you become Germany because they speak for so long.
Okay.
If we talk, make we know. Nobody will not first of our us, but we keep our own. Nobody will not get used to get used to. Not because you come alive with a brag. You get problem, I get. Let me say you can't come alive with the same as you get money for. What do you get? You follow the general work. Even the general, cannot let them talk. So you get money for Nigeria. I know that me, I know you Richard. You the talk, I know you Richard. I know you take Italy road. We know you Richard. I take Italy road. They say now so your friend know you for Italy. Who know you for Italy?
Okay.
I beg, if you say like post your last statement of if you get Nigeria statement of account, post your last statement of account. Post your German statement of account. Look your loan oppression for Germany. Your money with the work more know you do. More look your loan oppression.
Okay.
The life you say now so you get money.
Yeah, man, not your loan oppression. Yeah, why beggar? Yeah, they be life. We have to.
Beggar, post your loan oppression. Loan oppression na German work. Then make a know me who post your loan oppression. Work with work. Your Mrs. You post your loan oppression. The last one.
Oh, we retire me. Oh, we retire me.
Me I know the money with. How Inogi. Okay, no be visited. It's 50 months loan oppression. 50 months loan oppression. 50 months loan oppression.
50 months. 50 months.
Yes, loan oppression.
Music monarch.
So make it bring your loan up. When I say no push loan up. When you 3 months, I'm gonna say you be actually platform already.
Because I told you, oh no, oh no, oh my son already.
Interview no, we now a beggar here. We beggar now told me. Only no one pull up it's a good idea.
Yo.
If they talk like that, so you get money for us. If you get money for us, beggar now you probably Italy will come abroad. You know if you find visa to come abroad. They follow Italy road, they come up. If you die for road, no call the money you say you get, no go waste.
I'm gonna go. Okay, yeah, we go to the Bialawa.
Interview, when I'm watching interview now, we with them all, and with the Zion ladies, no,
Yes.
only the answer the message they to a page or time, only or Sunday, only now interview with the ego going here, kill a young, nothing what follow general.
Jesus.
The general, ego going
here. General, okay, no, what be. No,
imagine a general and win a lady, or I get general win when I go, Mrs. Yubus, or nothing, Mrs. Yubus.
Hey!
Imagine I don't mean a general, not a point you are a little.
Any Yak Yogi, Baba, any Yak Yogi Maui. But to wait to attend on it, go away. In where in no Balomessa now. I will guess it so. Single guess. You know what I take comment? I want to be like Yobo's house, man. You know, we give it.
Enoge. Imagine why you the most, not where you was now, but not being a Ugo.
Imagine Baba. Ever not many days. Me met him with all the bros. Yes, selected cousin.
A topic you will turn up the gay. Who are we Benjamin Sento? Avec mon savoir, avec on y everybody will go. But even make my love Mrs. Yobosa. I have no problem with Mrs. Yobosa. Lifestyle again, but what I want is that I will prove her wrong. She should provide her husband. If she's not working, she should provide her husband loan oppression.
Okay. Loan oppression. Your boss. Your boss. Your boss. Loan oppression. Loan oppression.
On my God, I'm going to pay a bank. So she should when I pay a bank, all the work she should post her husband loan oppression. Loan oppression is she should provide a loan oppression too. Then I will prove her wrong. She is if she's not collecting money from justice, she collecting money from justice. It's called Arbeit Loose Gate.
Yes.
Just at the top of Arbeit.
Yes.
They are not living together. They are not living together. Beggar. They are not living together because okay, come away. Let me analyze this for you very well.
Analyze it, 1,000 naira watching.
Yes, Ebony Agari platform. I'm one of the patrons of Ebony platform. One of the patrons of Ebony platform. Let me analyze it to you better.
Okay.
First of all, Mrs. Yobosa and Beggar, they are not living together. That is the first classification of it. Because if Beggar is living with Yobosa, the money will be reduced. She will not get the benefit of a single mother.
Okay.
That's why they are not living together. And Beggar will not be paying the child benefit that is called Unterheit. If Beggar the money Beggar is receiving from the UK is not big enough. If the money is receiving from his company is not big enough, the Mrs. Yobosa will be getting the full money from the government, which the government will be completing, will be paying the full dues to the Mrs. Yobosa. That's why they are not living together. You understand? Because if his money is not up to 1,500 euros in Deutschland, if the money is not up to 1,500 euros, then the per child is 175 euros per child for one child. 175 euros per one child. Then the two child is about 300 something euros for the two. Then if they are not living together, the government will be paying half of the percentage, depends on the salary the man is receiving.
Yes, sir.
Because once Beggar is living together with them, the money will be, they will not pay any Unterheit or any other aspect. Then let me break it down to you. If Beggar is living with Mrs. Yobosa, they will not be paying. The government will not be paying the aspect of the apartment.
Oh, Nazibo Gbe Baba.
They will not be paying the bill of the apartment. Beggar will be paying the light bill.
And the beggar who?
Yes, they will pay.
Beggar man will be a fool. How will I pay the light bill?
So, beggar, I don't know whether everybody go online. Everybody go hear me now because I able to discover everybody just now. So, beggar will be paying the apartment bill.
Yes.
Then the light bill, beggar will be paying.
Yo.
The eater bill, beggar will be paying. That's why they are not living together. That is the reason why they are not living together.
Where's the Baba? Even if you call away, you are right. Where's the Baba?
Once you are not receiving any social benefits from the government, you will be taking care of your family. That is the law.
Where's the David?
Under section 25 of the Family Act of German Constitution means if you are living with your family, you have no right of deportation. This is section 25 of the Family Act of German Constitution. Then, if you are living under the Constitution, the new amendment of the 2020 amendment of the German amendment 2020.
Baba. One way call that Dory. Whoa. Oh, Dory, Baba, Dory. I'm with him, Dory. Hello. You know. 5 minutes. Call us. 5 minutes. Well, let me know how you say. I call like baby.
Okay.
Ave commentators now we will not get.
I want you to quit up this one. If I say no, according to Mrs. Yobosa, she said she come here for kinder. She go school here. She don't work here. If Mrs. Yobosa, we won't see your German passport. Yes, we want to make you show us, and that one way they investigate her, we want to make she show us our German passport, because that woman not sure say she get German passport, because if she get German passport, and she brag rich, she don't show her.
Yes.
So if automatically you say you go school here, you do hospital, do everything, automatically you're not supposed to get German passport. So we want to see your German passport, because you're all too much. Now what do they talk? Now make us the same now, say we want to see this, so and now your work, and you go show us. And that one make I add.
We'll see. My brother, color 5 minutes. Yobusa. Larry, you come away. We do mana doing yame. Where you na. Oh, by way. It is a way. Beggar. Inu bawa ya yo interview. Inu bawa ya yo interview. One ever how many times did you went to urinate? God will bless that woman. And Zion's daughter no. That woman is a fast. Is a nice person. Abianele. Who am I going? Ọ̀pẹ anyway, I say. Go do I here? Oh, Abianele. David, where you better go now? Okay. Where go? Where say? Yeah, we are.
Because Ijobo come like Germany.
So what's the?
The same document in my Jobo passport.
You must have a passport. Richard to my Germany.
He don't have it. If that guy has document, at the same 3 years where I get with that UN passport, now that guy go get. You understand? For the children money, God go bless that bros just now where he call. I so much go love everything with the bros talk, because now wait till they sub for Germany. It just goes like, if you believe that now your husband they buy you every night where you they present for social media, I beg. You see that payment slip because people don't understand the paper where the bros they talk that time. Now the payment slip they need. Now payment slip where your husband they always collect every of the 15 from government, from work. Where they always collect every of the 15 from work. Now the paper they need. So they say me
because all the book
you understand, Ijobosa? We dey suffer for Germany. Let people know that we are suffering.
But you don't tell them. She will say we are dying.
Is taking care of you. Listen, Ijobosa, I mean, about the only moment, ọmọ náà rẹ document is 250 euro.
Times 4, 1,000.
Calculate 250 euro. It's all 4 places. It's 2,000 euro. Akedorie ni jet to boy. Isha. But when he collects about almost 2,500 euro from government.
They not collect, he said. It's a
from government.
Shaki.
Because of the NSA got that for him.
Shaki
The NSA got that for him. Or say got that for him. Me one pay ne. A family money and here dwari no guy. Ave pampas, you get pampas in it 2020. I can't dwari and then ya support it. You no that for him ne.
And what about
Yes.
Oh, you know what that for him we now.
If my husband they work, that your husband need to spend for all the children father shaft. And if you don't spend father shaft for all the children, I want concept pay now. That is why the man don't have to stay with the girl. If they go there, government did not know whether the man they visit there. The woman fit tell government say no girl husband. The last speaking a mistake it enter. If they happen now, I don't date Germany now, they go 7 years now. I'm not a baby.
Okay.
I don't see a lot of that girl they suffer. I want that for suffering. All the clothes where they wear where one baby, where was there witness on ever na vilokwa, ever na me will say, when in the red Nigeria, we had just wooden like them in social media.
Yeah.
Social media. If you work at Kenubi, I'm way, where I just wear, I want what the market by what the ever. No, we are back here, not even a Gali Express, and I'm a duke, no.
You mean an auto? Auto?
Auto. That girl can lie. This why you they lie.
You lie.
You let die.
You lie. Very.
Hey.
So shy.
If I and wow, even more get there, seriously, my mother stand. And the rest no one where they put on your we're begging for plane or Germany. Agualevera yata me Germany and no settle and no settle. Hey. Here they go with flat the arewa. Of you done away me here Jobosa. Or mammy only tell us Yahweh, popular Germany. Oh, waiting a while in your hearing. What's on that hearing? It's the go more that way. He may want more not okay.
Okay.
It's the go get me. You are still go more that. We're on the edge. We are on the edge. Only go now on the edge.
Okay.
It will never follow some way.
Okay.
120 me. On the edge is on 40 euro every month.
Wallahi.
Let's go back.
You come still carry belle. Now belle you carry. Okay, may you come and tell people say, government know my husband. Our government say know your husband. You no go feel know him. Because they know the government here on that phone. A government they beg you that phone where you have to work for your Peking.
Of course, you have to work for the Peking.
That man never, he don't even stand for that shot for the Peking himself. If I hear me, I die. Wait till they stop.
Oh, also no man I Korea.
We suffer for Germany.
It's okay.
elle était l'horaire, on va te mais avec et puis qui n'a ni un frère, n'a ni un mais il est wa mais nene pigi nene pigi o hewe ni ya mwe ke ni na we we chicken we o fi ave na ge ume bumpe wo
Yes.
ave iviara bu o fi o the day we go back to pig I cook for plate they give her husband, my husband they eat. They say, Yijo, I tell you, oh, get a one movie. Epic in way up there, Nico, 7 euro, you bet to. A man in a was to make you know, we no near a pole.
Ẹ wá tọ̀wọ̀ tán mi náà.
Ija, Arapole.
Gbẹ́gẹ̀rì ẹlẹ́dẹ̀.
Ija.
Gbẹ́gẹ̀rì ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Gbẹ́gẹ̀rì ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Gbẹ́gẹ̀rì ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Gbẹ́gẹ̀rì ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Jésù.
Ije. Ọ̀gá ṣìkì ni àwẹ̀ àmẹ́ ni ọwọ́ àwẹ̀ tẹ̀nà dàfọ́ ní ìwé àmọ́ àwẹ̀ ọ́. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ní ìjọ wí àdọ́ òun ní ìwà gbọ̀n. Ẹ má ní náà wà bàlù, ọ̀nà wà rí yé yà. Ìbák fought for Bele. My dear brother, you alone living life. Oh. Now the mere way fake life you are all can well living. Well, what change it because they now money, we they suffer for Germany, I beg. What did they suffer? I never beg that way when I know. It's the apple. I beg, we're not guase. No guase, I guase.
Okay, for you to tell me this. Come, bros.
Problem here. Là où Baba, when Mrs. Wu, you was a who we were at Taba, only Yamenti. Of the Jamaica, Medon Bishad Nigon.
Medon Bishad Nigon. You know.
The Jamaica, Medon Bishad Nigon. According to your war, but we are no la wo no posting you was an rock, Begania posted Medon Bishad Nigon.
Okay.
That will give us a very good, big part
to
know where they are, the both of them are living in Deutschland. It's called Medon Beshanigo. You have right of Medon Beshanigo.
In I have plasmatic video. Yaman, I have Medon Beshanigo.
When you are posted,
a plasma we are very halfway. A plasma TV. What are you?
Post a picture of platform again.
And that Medon Beshanigo.
Yes, Medon Beshanigo.
Yeah, I am Medon Beshanigo. Oh, my mama, a Korea gay on a yard country. And we're going to a better TV. I have got it up away and a big winner. While I'm
posting Medon Beshanigo on me. Who didn't know interview? You have a quality.
Oh, Ross. Oh, Honey. No, if I know interview any amount of you. I don't want me to. I don't want me to insult that woman at all. See that woman alone, I had pity for her. I don't know why. If I have to look at the pity for her, he told me.
Because
who are to her? I don't know why. I just like the woman.
I will really look where you interview. You guys give NCE. Because you are more Nigeria.
Well, why don't they know interview?
Well, he can't say about it, but even if boy, no, she or her husband should post a Medon Beshanigo on the allegation.
Madam interview, madam. They said that You should tell the Yobosas Fenyagbe's family.
Gbege and his wife.
Fenyagbe family. Propose. Maybe the Chanigon. Yes.
Medo Bishop Nigo. Come on, spell it. We don't go in. I spell it.
I have met on when you okay.
Medo Bishop Nigo.
But me here. They beg them winner. Prove it. Sababa God. Sababa. Mama Sababa. Why you lay? Don't go and come on. What I do you talk. Enogi. 5 minutes. Bro, said we are very bad there. In the net. They are very tea. Where's he? Who's a very tea? Luna personal. Hello. Fancy. What a wagmo.
La yene yo bosta kana. O wa ne okay na tie ne a because ne here no ro egi rai. Keke wo de odo wa me yan ise. Ana do re dia.
Okay there.
Ana do re dia. Awa fete.
Okay there anya le rai. Isakini.
Oge dia no ode.
Ode anya there na. Imaga efo.
Ode na oge di poya.
3 slices of plantain.
Oge di poya. Oge na di poya. Ode mi ese.
Every 2 man already me there.
Ode na ewe na maya. Ejeni o afuga no ro. Doshland. Opo ni e. Opo mo shite. When is confuse them and we want to get any platform organi no mwere be go talk. Iye wa mwere be go talk.
Any la chat yoge.
Yes. So in your part in the process ke le taba, ma oni ma ke le mete set over that for enshi. So ma ne ke le we get out that for en orugwa. Even self you are strong and self while I single mother, the government now has to one na we ya no. That can't you we. E won ka ya ri holy fu na ya ke di worry about we.
We see.
Ama igwe. So only get too much.
We see. Well, we see. Only we said what here? You go sir. You didn't know what. You your name in here. Inogie Plateau. Let's go to YouTube, guys. Official Inogie TV on YouTube. We're not subscribed. We are subscribed. Official Inogie TV on YouTube. Look at you, we're learning. Because Ije is Italian. So let me call because the matter too shock. The matter not shock be. Larry, one of Hama why you settle with Benjamin. He concern you. Benny, not say Nagwan. Me and Benjamin they quarrel. Now because he settle. They will Wagita now. Why you settle with Benjamin? Now you first cause quarrel for us. Now you first cause our quarrel. Why you settle with Benjamin? It's all that I do. I'm not telling you here. Okay. You know everything what you. Then you know your battle. Or what in Lana? Straight to YouTube. You go sako. That for me colleague there. You can't order. Then it's a wise and then to walk around to walk around so. Mary making a nice shaki so. You give away. Not bow away. You mark the way. And then make back with him. My mom will have you. Yeah, you go home and I post it. Want to come out? Oh, how come? If folk can organize them again in that way. My wife baffled for me. You are not ashamed. The wife baffled for you. You post it. Shaki kekan. Or the battle no way. Or be by me, bad. Or be by me with your go. Or be by me. Why you know? You not be then. Or be by me count. How I give on? No, I didn't wait. Oh, no. Well, if you know what's good for you, call me. Beg me. If you don't beg, no, we are here. I say, I'm here, VKB. 2001, me now. 200 now with power. 200 no what party. Fake Yahoo. Okay. Do what me baby you all about. What go? What there? What? Go back baby you are there. Sisters of man me do. Do what no what other for what keep it. That for what see me. Or black be. Dark skin color. Dirty skin color. Go not be black. Why are they shining them more? Never look sweet. A maca no brown. Ah, near there. Odoye na oye Kaduna. Igbege era o me go yan sa no. Ogun so ogun ba egbu e. Why you do atawe oye do. Why you do e? Why you do e? Yan sa rubbish. Na one law. Here is if you born what you born what. Why do less saga me go along? But I pretend you are. I don't do saga. So Baba God, if na fast we go do the Viare o, no me go la dia. Me ya go there. Go me ya saki there. O me ya saki there. No ya go. Shebi na one man you for. See no. Your baby father na they call me so. Hello. Yes, I did like you, you know. Yeah, I know they like. That's the baby father of this year. Useless is your boss. Bros, you want to talk?
Yeah, I want to say something.
Okay, good. Now, everybody, official Enoge TV on YouTube. Bros, please hold on. Official Enoge TV. Everybody, let's go to YouTube. Please subscribe and share. I love you, bros.
People, now so we see the matter where it is for inside town. So now so we see all the gbege, hobby buy me this, hobby buy me that. So from now onward, people, if you they do audio live, you better they do one for inside house, make it no leak come outside. You understand? And here I will bring the part 2, how the man take talk everything. You understand? How the man take demand for DNA from Mrs. Iyobosa is okay. Okay, my people. Thank you for viewing and God bless you. Please help me to share this video. Give it a thumbs up and leave your comment for me in the comment section. God bless everyone. See you guys. Bye.